Hello, I have here an Aciera F1 and this machine is complete and in a beautiful condition, and I'm using this video to show you that. So I'm going to show all the included accessories. This is the collet set, which ties here with a 0.5 millimeter. And then it's 20 pieces of W12 collets all the way till 10 with a 0.5 millimeter increment. Here are some holders. This is a 10 millimeter holder. This is an 8 millimeter holder. This is a self-made piece. And they are in a beautiful condition. Here a 3D jaw chuck, 3-jaw chuck with a W12 arbor. Made in Switzerland. This is the vise which can go under an angle when you unscrew the screw here. Yeah, it runs smooth. Here's the milling table. Second milling table, which allows to mill under an angle, but of course also straight. Super condition. A simple dividing head with a W12 here. Drawbar. This is for 60 divisions, the standard division wheel. Oops. This is the indirect dividing head. Yeah, and in total there are 3 division discs, and they are complete and included. So number 3 is installed, and this is number 1 and number 2. Here are the also 3 handles for the quick movement. Some, I don't know how you call them, for in the vise. Oh. This is an extra 3-jaw chuck made in Sweden to put on the milling table. Yeah, there's some mills included here, some end mills. Yeah, let's go to the machine. So there are 6 end stops. Let's zoom out first. There are 6 end stops. There's 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. So that's a complete set. This one runs extremely smooth in both directions. And the play, let's see if I can show that from close. It's 3/100ths of a millimeter. And yeah, this one runs very smooth as well. And there's a little play, not so important for the play. This one here on the back side runs also super smooth. Can show that here. And the play, I would say, is also close to 3/100ths of a millimeter, which is really nice. The guideways are in a beautiful shape. Yeah, I think I showed everything, and thank you for watching.